So Arturo spent a total of $12,000 on 3 items. I'll just call them M, R, and H for short. Now the question wants to know how much of the 12,000 went on R. So I'm thinking that I just need to know what fraction is R out of the total. I might even create a ratio table and say we've got R, we've got M plus H, since I don't actually care about the breakdown of M and H, and we've got total. Now if I knew what fraction of the total was R, or if I knew what fraction of the total was M plus H combined, either of those would be sufficient. And that makes me want to start with statement 2, because statement 2 implies that R is 1/5 of M plus H for a total of 6 ratio units. And that should be enough for me to solve the question. If we wanted to know exactly what the answer is, it would be 1/6 of 12,000, and whatever that is. We don't actually have to solve it because this is data sufficiency. So statement 2 is sufficient on its own, and we should go ahead and eliminate the answer choices that claim that it's not. So A, C, and E are gone, and we're down to B or D. Now statement 1 unfortunately combines R and H, and since we have no information about how R and H are split between them, this can't possibly be sufficient on its own, and therefore the correct answer is B. If you found this video useful, go to quantreasoning.com for a lot more where that came from. You should also click that like button and let me know in the comments below what you'd like me to make future videos about. And of course, if you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead and do that and click that bell below so you get notified about future videos. See you next time.